Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Arise application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the diary icon down below, which is the first option, and after that click on this three dots icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on settings and click on profile, which is the first option. Here you should select your start weight, then your goal weight, after that your activity, sedentary, moderate or active. After that you should indicate your weight loss per week, so that's your goal. On this scale you can indicate it. As you can see, it ranges from 0 to 1 kilogram, so that is the recommended weight that you can lose weekly. Here you can see the estimated calorie budget below it, so that's the daily calorie intake that you don't or you should not exceed in order to achieve your weekly weight loss. So after that you should just simply go back to the previous section by this button back in the upper left corner of the screen, because all of the information that you have just entered will be saved automatically, so you have updated your profile. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.